Ikaw! Check. Kuya palakas ng konti ng high-end.
Wow.
May mga mamaw na naman din sa harap ko. May mga mamaw. Mga parang... Sige. Ganyan lang yun. Yan. Parang mag-perfector. Bye. Hindi naman ito. Napin ko yan eh. Hindi ako kukustunin kasi magkahawig ka. Hey, Raul! Did you see your wife's outfit? That's for tonight.
Tonight, isa kinatok, Hayden, Jessica, at Tessa ang mag-uuwi ng 1 million pesos na i-share nila sa kanilang piniling charity.
And tonight, one lucky texter will become 20,000 pesos richer. Ayan, at bilang yan, may wow magic thing pa siya. Dalawa yun, isa para sa kanya at isa para sa kabuhit niya.
Naging malaki at mahalaga ang papel nila sa competition na ito. Dito sa Celebrity Duet, ang tatlong ito ang sumulong sa...
Thank you in advance to our panel of judges. One of the most sought-after musical directors in the country. Ladies and gentlemen, Maestro Louie Ocampo.
Singer, comedian, actress, and president of the Organisasyon ng mga Pilipinong mga awit, the versatile Miss Mitch Valdez.
One the popular trio of the Apple Hiking Society and another music legend, Mr. Broboy Caravilla.
Ngayon mga judges, gusto lang namin marinig sa inyong tatlo base sa mga performances ng ating mga contestants from week 1 hanggang week 10. Sino sa inyo at sino sa palagay ninyo ang dapat maging champion dito sa Celebrity Duet? At bakit? Simulan natin kay Maestro Louie.
Yeah.
Ay, nako. Okay. You know, if I had 30 seconds to talk, okay, we were, you know, if I had a choice, I would like to have all three to win tonight. Only because they worked really hard. Okay, but it can't be done. It's not allowed. So I was instructed to say, to choose one. And